pipe with length 210 centimeters. It has external diameter of 16 centimeters and is 1 centimeter thick. Find the volume of the metal used in constructing the pipe. So we're asked to find the volume of the metal that was used to construct this particular pipe up here. So let's go ahead with the solution. Now, what we are going to do is that we are going to use the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. We are using the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. But here, we assume there are two cylinders. We assume there are two cylinders because it is a pipe. It is a pipe and definitely there is thickness. So, we are going to do this. We have the bigger pipe, which is this. So, when we separate it, we are going to have this. Okay, so that's the bigger portion with the diameter 16, and the smaller portion which is in here, the small portion is here in here. The thickness is given to be 1 centimeters. So therefore, 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here. So when we take, so definitely here and here gives us 2 centimeters. Let's take 2 centimeters from the 16 centimeters. That is going to give us 14 centimeters. So the bigger portion is, the smaller portion is going to be okay. The height is the same but different diameters. So we have two cylinders here. What we are seeing here and what we are seeing here is that this particular smaller cylinder is inserted into this bigger cylinder. That's why we are having two circles here. So this particular cylinder is inserted into this one. That's why we are having two circles here. So now we have two cylinders, and we are asked to find the volume of metal that was used to construct this particular pipe. So what we are going to do is we take the volume of the bigger cylinder minus the volume of the smaller cylinder. So what we are going to do is we have V so we represent the bigger portion or the bigger cylinder with V1, and V1 represents the bigger portion, and we have R, the capital R representing the bigger radius. Here we're going to have small r here and then a bigger r here, so that will be V2, which stands for the smaller cylinder, equals 5r squared, and r stands for the radius of the smaller cylinder height. Now we're going to take the volume of the bigger one minus the volume of the smaller one. And this is going to give us V1 minus V2. But V1 is pi r squared, right? And V2 is pi r squared height. So we go down with the substitution. We are asked to substitute pi with 22/7. So we have 22/7 times 16 is the diameter. So when we divide the diameter into 2, we are getting the radius, which is equals 8. So we have the radius to be, that is radius equals d/2, and then d is 16, so 16/2 will give us 8. So we have 8 squared times h is 210 minus this, so this will give us 22/7 times d here is 14, so r equals d/2. Therefore, we have r equals 14/2, which is equal to 7. So times 7 squared times 210. So let's come down, and this implies that 7 here, 1, and 7 will go to 210 30 times. We have 30, so this will give us 22 here left, times 8 times 8 will give us 64. That's 8 squared will give us 64. We have 64 times 30 minus 7 will go to itself 1, and 7 will go to 210 30 times. That's 7 is a factor of 210. So that will be 22 left here times 7 squared is 7 times 7. That will give us 49 times 30 left. So we come down, and this implies that 22 times 64 times 30 will give us 4240, and 22 times 49 times 30 will give us 32,340. Okay, so this will give us, when we come down, this minus this will give us 9900. So you see, therefore the volume of metal used is 9,900 centimeters cube, and then that is that. So guys, this is what was required of the candidate. So if you search for this exams and you got this correct, we say thumbs up and congratulations. And if you didn't sit for it, but you worked it and got this, congratulations for you as well. So guys, if you enjoyed watching, subscribe, like, and share, so that others will always get it to watch, and you will always be notified first whenever we upload the video. Place your comments below. Tell us your mind, your view, ask your questions. They are very important, especially what you think in your mind, what you think about our videos. give us feedback. Please subscribe and help us reach the target of 1,000 subscribers. We are coming again with some more of the questions. And guys, we are coming up with a video on how to prove that pi is equals 22/7. We are coming with a video to prove that pi is equals 22/7, which is in decimals we have 3.142. In decimals, we say 22/7 is equals 3.142. We are coming with a video to prove that. Some say pi is not 22/7, but when we come, we know whether it's true or not. Stay blessed until we meet again. Bye.